Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about break command and join command. So let's start with break command. Say we want to break this line from 2 points. As there is no intersection point, we can't use trim command to break this line. So in that case, we have to use break command to break this line. To choose break command, go to modify toolbar and here choose break. Otherwise, press BR and then press enter. Now we have to select the object. While selecting the object, always keep in mind one thing, that on which point we click to select the object, that points become the first breakpoint. Let's click on here. Here you can see it asking for the second breakpoint. So that point becomes the first breakpoint, and now you have to specify the second breakpoint. Select this one. So you can see the object is breaked. Now let's try it again. Choose break command, press enter, select the object. That point becomes the first breakpoint, and now select the second breakpoint. It is difficult to select the first breakpoint while selecting the object. So after selecting the object, we can specify the first breakpoint. Let's see how to do that. Choose break command, press BR and then press enter. Now select the object. Now press F and then press enter. Now you can see here it is asking for the first breakpoint. Click on that point you want to be the first breakpoint, say this one, and now select on the second breakpoint, say this one. Now let's talk about the next one, which is break at point. You can find the symbol here. Focus on the cursor. Here you can see this is break at point option. Choose this one. Now to use this, select the object and specify the point from where you want to break the object. You can see this object is braked from this point. Now let's break a quarter of this circle. Choose break command, press enter, select the circle. To choose first breakpoint, press F and then press enter. Now select this one, and as second breakpoint select this one. You can see this quarter is trimmed out. Now let's see it again. Choose break command, press enter, select the object, press F then press enter, select the first breakpoint and then select the second breakpoint. I think it's clear to you. Now let's look about join command. To choose join command, go to modify toolbar and here choose join. Otherwise press J and then press enter. Say we want to join these two arcs, then select this one and then select this one and then press enter. Here you can see. Now let's try it on this straight line. Choose join command, press enter, select this one and this one, press enter. But we can't join these two lines. You can see, let's check it out. Press J and then press enter, select these two lines and press enter. Here you can see we can't join these two lines. So after breaking an object, you can join that object, but you can't join this type of objects or a single object. This is also true. So that's all about break and join command. And if you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.